Hello, so this is going to be a demo video that demonstrates a chemical bath dipping sequence using the stepper motors and Arduino system. Right now I'm uploading or running a code that allows you to enter values to define the sequence. So right here it says welcome to dipping sequence setup. First prompt is enter total number of dips for the sequence. So I'm going to do, let's do five dips. Okay. Next is enter number of cycles for the sequence. So I'm going to try 2. Alright. Next is enter bin number of first bath for the sequence. So this is the first chemical bath. So I'm going to do number 1. And the next prompt is the immersion time. It says minutes, but right now I have it in seconds just to save time. But that's a tweak in the code that can be changed later. So anyway, I'm going to do, 2 seconds for this one. Enter the number of second baths, so let's go do number 2. Immersion time, let's do 4 seconds. Number 3, let's do number 3. Immersion time, let's do 4 seconds. Chemical bath number 4. Let's do 4, and then immersion time for, I don't know, 3 seconds. And then 5th one, let's go back to 1. And for that one, we're going to do 6 seconds. So I hit enter. It shows me the sequence I've defined. So item number 1 is chemical bath number 1 for dipping time of 2. Item 2 is chemical bath number 2 for dipping time 4. Item number 3 is, and so on and so forth. So it says enter 1 to execute the sequence. If I enter some other value, just say invalid entry. So I'll hit 1. To execute. But before that, I don't have power for the stepper motors plugged in, and you can see it's pretty loose. I can kind of just flick it, sort of oscillate. What's interesting about the stepper motors is once you apply power to the drivers, it'll stabilize. So it'll run a current or generate a magnetic field to kind of stiffen its position. So right now I'm just gonna also, you can notice the drivers are powered via a DC power plug. This is running a 4 amp 12 volt power supply. They recommend not using lower amps just because the amps is directly, the torque of the stepper motor is directly proportional to the current you supply it. So use high current for any high intensive stepper motor application. So right now I'm just gonna apply power to this guy. It's hard to do with one hand. Right? You notice it kind of stiffened up right there, right? If I try to flick it, it's kind of in place. Even the linear motor, it's not loosey-goosey anymore. So I'm just going to type in 1 and hit enter to execute the sequence. And here we go. Let me enable auto scroll right here. But, the serial monitor, and just move to the second position right there. The serial monitor displays the item number that's running in the sequence along with the corresponding bin number, the number of steps it took to get there, the immersion time, as well as each minute by minute immersion for each dip. Okay. So just finished number 3. It's on to item number 4. Immersion time tells you 3 minutes. It says minutes, but of course right now it's set to seconds for demo purposes. And it went back to position number 1, and this one should be for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there we go. Okay. And I set it for 2 cycles, so it just tells you the first cycle is completed. Right. So it's running through the second cycle right now. That's item number 4. And that's item number 1. Is up. And 2 cycles complete. Cycles have been completed. Alright.